Today's topic is nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. As we know, the amount of nitrogen gas in atmosphere is 78%, and this atmospheric nitrogen is used by plants for their growth, but the plants do not use nitrogen gas directly as it is present in atmosphere. They convert nitrogen gas into nitrogenous compound and use these nitrogenous compound for their growth. Nitrogen is converted to nitrogenous compound by microorganisms or by some processes. The microorganisms are rhizobium and blue-green algae, and the process is lightning in the sky. During this process or during thunderstorm, there will be high temperature, and due to this high temperature, the nitrogen gas present in atmosphere combines with the oxygen gas to form nitrogenous compound. It mixes in rainwater and fall on earth, and it get mixed in the soil or get absorbed in the soil. During lightning, there will be high temperature, and due to this high temperature, the nitrogen gas present in atmosphere and the oxygen gas present in atmosphere combine with each other and form nitrogenous compound, which is helpful for the growth of plants. So the definition of nitrogen fixation is the process of converting nitrogen gas of atmosphere into compounds of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. Now the next topic is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is defined as the circulation of nitrogen element through living things and non-living things is called nitrogen cycle. Living things are plants and animals. Non-living things are soil, air, and water. The first step of nitrogen cycle is the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen gas to nitrogenous compound by nitrogen fixing bacteria and some other processes. These are rhizobium and blue-green algae, and the process is lightning in the sky. The next step is these microorganisms makes the nitrogen compound, nitrogenous compound, to get absorbed in the soil, and then these nitrogenous compound are absorbed by the roots of plants, which is the third step of nitrogen cycle, and these nitrogenous compound are taken by plants, and these nitrogenous compound get absorbed by the roots of the plants. By the help of roots, the plant do not use these compound directly as it is present in soil. Firstly, the plants convert these nitrogenous compound into plant protein and use these plant proteins as it is for their growth. Then the animals eat plants, and by converting the plant protein into animal protein, they use this animal protein for their growth. Then the dead and decaying material of plants and animals contain nitrogenous waste in the form of plant protein and animal protein. These two proteins are plant protein and animal protein are complex substances. Therefore, the decomposers present in the soil convert these two complex substances into simple substances and get easily mixed in the soil. And further, these nitrogenous compounds are again used up by other plant for their growth. This process continues endlessly. And now the last step is the conversion of nitrogenous compound into nitrogen gas, and this is done by some bacteria which convert nitrogenous compound into nitrogen gas, and this is the diagram which is showing the nitrogen cycle.